What's up, gang? It's your girl Glamorous Tay, and we are back at it again. This is the Glamorous Family that you're watching today. In today's video, I am going to be doing the car wash prank on the kids, because y'all already know we always gonna be coming back with bangers after bangers after bangers, period. Y'all already knew this though. What we're gonna be doing right now, it's a little hot where I'm at, but I'm about to tell them we're about to get this car washed. That's what we're about to do anyways. About to get the car washed, about to clean the car out. I am going to be letting the window down while we in the car wash. Now, I thought about it, and then I thought about it again. I decided that I am going to do this prank on them. Now, make sure you guys stay tuned for more. Make sure this video gets, I don't know, I would say maybe about 1,700 likes. And we're gonna keep these bangers going back to back to back to back to back. So y'all, I'm just gonna go to the car wash my car out, and we're gonna clean it out.
Yeah. That's fine.
It's hot in here.
I'm gonna throw that in. A daddy.
Who is Daddy Long Legs? What type of name is that? What's wrong with you, baby? I said, what's wrong with you? Did you guys have fun in Florida?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to come again?
Yeah. Mommy, can you go
Over where?
there?
Over where?
Over there.
Over where?
Over there. Should we go to Annie's corner?
No. This Florida weather is so sticky. Super duper sticky. Let's go. I hope they're open though. It's Sunday. I think they're open. Oh yeah, they're open. They're open. Let's go. Over there. Over there. This truck be like blocking you, like you can't even see. Like, that's crazy. See what we about to get into.
Why
Because that's what you mean. I can't vlog while we going through the thing. You think y'all is the only one that want to see it? I want to see it too. What do you mean why I keep bringing my camera? We're YouTubers, duh. Hey, I'm just gonna get the regular one. No, it's okay. No, thank you. No, that's fine. Thank you. All right.
Mommy, look.
Now, how do I do this? They need to instruct me.
Go inside.
This last time I got on this thing, oh my God, why am I going back? This mess is super duper scary.
No, it's not.
What do you mean it's not? It is.
So cool.
It's scary.
Cool.
It's the last time they knocked my Toyota sign off, and I don't like that. Oh my gosh. There he goes. Have you guys
What? It's rainbow.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don't you do that?
Oh my God, sorry, what did you do?
Oh my God, it's not out.
Oh my God, sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, who's doing that?
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Mommy.
Oh my God, who's doing that?
Mommy.
Oh, who's doing that?
Stop.
Who's doing that? Oh my God!
Mommy.
What? Oh my God! Oh my God! What happened?
Do that? Why did you do that? That's not funny.
happened?
Until you look down, slime made slime. It's found slime on your floor. You gotta be.
What happened?
Let me see.
Because it's supposed to have been up anyways. Guys, you guys have been the ultimate prank. The car wash prank.
I love that. I'm sorry. Can we do it again?
You want to do it again?
Yeah, I do. I wish you had like an orange. Kept doing it every time.
I think Zari was scared.
I love it, bro.
Zari, you was scared?
I just don't like how I did that so. And you got
I think
slime on my pants and on your seat. Okay, everywhere.
All right, well, y'all gonna get it up, okay? That's all y'all need to know. Y'all gonna get it up.